change the blade on the KNK Force, remove the blade holder and detension the blade tensioner by turning the end cap anti-clockwise until it hits about 1. You don't want to unscrew this cap completely. Next, I want to flip it over, unscrew the main cap and carefully remove it because there's a really small spring in there. Inside you'll see spring and the blade. K&K provide a range of different blade options. These are the blue blades for thick materials, also a red for standard materials and yellow for things like fabric. So installation is just remove the wax cover, carefully thread spring over the top. Inside the end you'll see there's a tiny little ball race, so we're going to place the point into that end. Thread the blade through the brass bushing in the end cap, let it sit and don't force it, but just tighten up the anodized cap. We can now retension to the desired tension. I'm going to be cutting through some pretty thick polypropylene. Have a look at the stencil video which is up here, and I'm going to tension it all the way up to 5, and that's as simple as that. All you need to do is just set the blade height in the software, and to do that have a look at our KNK Force playlist, which again should appear just here. So if you like these videos, do subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.